Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best 4K camcorders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many 4K camcorders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each 4K camcorders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a 4K camcorder. First, look at the image sensor size because it affects video clarity and performance in low light. A larger sensor usually gives better image quality. Next, check the lens quality and optical zoom since these influence how sharp and flexible your shots will be. Also, think about stabilization features to keep your video smooth when filming handheld. Battery life is another key factor, especially if you record long sessions or travel often. Audio input options are important too, as external microphones can greatly improve sound quality. Don't forget about storage capacity and memory card compatibility for handling large 4K files. Finally, consider connectivity features like Wi-Fi or HDMI for easy file transfer and live streaming. Choosing wisely ensures great results and long-term satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.